Welcome to the new xCloud tutorial. Today, we're going to show you how to migrate sites from cPanel to managed hosting at xCloud. Let's get started. First, log into your xCloud dashboard with your credentials. Then head over to the Servers tab. Select your preferred server, then click on New SIT and choose Migrate Full Server. You'll see plenty of options here, but for this tutorial, we're going with cPanel. Now, you need to fill in the required fields. Once you're in the dashboard, click on Backup and select Download a full account backup. Before downloading, select the backup destination from the drop-down menu, provide your email address, and then click on the Generate Backup button. It'll take a while to complete the backup process. Next, let's create an API key. Scroll down and click on Manage API Tokens. Provide a token name. Choose an expiry date and click on the Create button. Once it's created, copy the token and make sure you save it. Let's go back to your xCloud dashboard and paste the API key in the designated field, along with the username of the cPanel account. You'll get URL details from the general information bar. Paste the URL on the cPanel host. After that, click on Fetch Existing Backups. Select your backup and click on the Next button. You'll see the available sites to choose from. Keep in mind that you are limited to choosing WordPress sites. Set the domain migration status like staging site or live site. However, we prefer using the staging site. Once you're done, click on the Next button. Here, you'll be able to edit the site information if you want. Now, click on Start. Wait until the whole procedure is completed. And that's how easily you can migrate sites from cPanel to managed hosting at xCloud. For more updates, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.